Markets have been moving all week on various trade headlines, but yesterday's was that President Trump is considering raising the stakes in the trade war with China. He's asked top trade official Robert Lighthizer to consider placing a 25% tariff on $200 billion in Chinese goods. That's more than doubling the previous 10% ask. The change will extend the date for considering such tariffs by about a week to September 5th. So that's the earliest that these tariffs could go into place if the White House decides to move forward. Senior administration officials declined to connect the move to China's suspected devaluation of the yuan, which just hit a 14-month low this morning. The change comes as officials say new and stronger tools are needed to incentivize China to negotiate, which they have not been. No current formal talks are planned, they say, though communication remains open, and they say President Trump is willing to meet with President Xi. There is another change in the administration's approach to trade. That is various references to being joined in this fight against China by like-minded partners. That strategy, according to people briefed by the White House, is to reach deals with allies first, then get their help in what could be a protracted trade dispute with China. Last week's handshake agreement with Europe is one of those steps. Talks with Mexico today may yield another. Those happen at 2 p.m. here in Washington. Both sides have been bullish on some sort of deal on NAFTA happening soon, whether it's a bilateral deal, a partial deal, a deal just on autos and content requirements in autos produced in those two countries. So we'll see what they come up with, Becky, but Mexico, at least for its part, has said they expect a deal to coalesce in the next few days. Back to you.